my dear friend, and how are you? Look at this beautiful girl. Her name is Jenny, and 5 months ago we cut her long hair to a buzz cut. And now it's time to cut something new. I want to make a movable texture without clear lines, and let's watch what will happen. I take the central strand and cut along this line. So it's give me a move of the length from the face to the back. I take next strand and pull to the previous one. So I get movement of the length from the central to the sides. Look at the banks and you see what happened with the length when we pull each next strand to the previous one. Now I repeat on the other side, because you can do like you do, or you can do like me. Stay in the cage or you finally take the key. Oh damn! Suddenly you're free to fly. It will take you to the other side. Well done. Everything is simple here. I connect the transition between the short top and the long sides. In the nape, I will move with the diagonal pattern from the bottom sides to the upper center and pull each next strand to the previous one. This will give me V-shaped volume on the back of the head. We take the strand, find previous one and cut. Take strand, find previous and cut. Strand, previous, cut, strand, previous, cut, strand, previous, cut. Strand, previous, cut, 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 cut. I don't want to make it, but it's happening every time when I say the word blow dry. Comment, like, and subscribe. Well done. Firstly, I spoil the banks with a freehand slicing technique. And now I watch on the form and what I see, there was a lot of volume on the ears, and I decided to reduce this volume with opening ears. Attention, be careful with the ears. And of course, most important part of any haircut is enjoy the result. Thanks for watching, my dear friend. My hugs to everyone. Well done. And see you soon. Give you boon.